Good afternoon, everyone. How are
Good
you all doing?
afternoon, ma'am. We are fine, ma'am.
All right, very
I'm
good.
fine.
Very good. My dear students, in the previous session, we have completed understanding the poem, that is lesson number 3, A Book for My Mother. In that poem, we have learned about how a child wants to make her mother's birthday a very special day in her own way, right? In her very own special way. And who remembers which thing is she planning to do for her? What is she planning to do for her mother?
She is planning to write a book. Planning to write a book for her.
Fantastic. Yes, very good. The child is planning to write a book for her mother. Okay, good. I'm happy to see that all of you remember. Good job. That means
Thank
all
you,
of you
ma'am.
have completed the reading work.
Yes.
Did everybody do the reading work?
Yes,
Yes, that's good. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen and my dear little ones present here are going to tell me the answers to the questions. Are you ready to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let me share the screen. And while the screen is getting loaded, I request everybody to take the rough notebook, which I have asked all of you to maintain, especially for English literature.
Ma'am, which book?
The 4-line notebook, my dear. 4-line
ma'am.
notebook, red and blue notebook.
Ma'am, rough book.
4-line notebook.
Ma'am, rough book.
Yes, the English literature notebook. I have requested all of you to maintain one special notebook for English literature, right? The same one I want all of you to take. Okay, now before I continue with the writing part, I want to make sure that you remember the meanings. Okay, Samanvaya, unmute and tell me, what is the meaning of shelf?
Flat board fixed to the wall.
Very good. A flat board fixed to the wall. The meaning of shelf is a flat board fixed to the wall. A flat board fixed to the wall. We have completed that part. Just we are revising it now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Daksha Lakshmi. The meaning of monsters. Monsters.
Big, scary creatures.
Very good. The meaning of monsters is big, scary creatures. Yes, very good. Okay, thank you, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Veda, welcome. Veda, what is the
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
of far away? Far away.
Far away. A far off place.
Fantastic. Far away means a far off place. That means a place which is very far away from where we are. Got it? Are you able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
recollect? Okay.
Yes,
The next
ma'am.
word is idea pod. I know everybody remembers what it is, right?
Yes.
What is idea pod? Devdarsh. I'm so happy to get the answers from all of you. But when we answer together, what does it create? It creates noise. Yes, noise. That must not happen, right? We must try to answer one by one. So now I'll be giving you chance to answer one by one. Are you ready to answer that way? Okay. Now, yes, very good. Now we will continue with exercise 2. Exercise 2, question number 1. Exercise 2, question number 1 on page number 15. 1, 5, 15. Are you all on page number 15? Please make sure about it. Sivanedya, unmute. Sivanedya, unmute and read question number 1. Sivanedya, unmute. What is the matter, my dear? Try again. Try again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did grow up?
What? Wait. Kinds. What? Kinds.
K-I.
NDS. Kinds. Yes. OF.
O-F.
Mm.
Of.
Of. Very good. BOOKS.
B-O-O. Books.
Books. Very good. Continue. DOES. DOES. Not does. Does.
Just.
Does. Does. THE.
T-H-E.
The.
The.
GIRL apostrophe S. Girls.
Girls.
Girls. Read the next word, Sivanidya.
Yes, ma'am.
Which page are you on, Sivanidya? Page number 15. 15. 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read. Girls.
Girl.
M-O.
M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother.
Very good.
Mother. Have.
Very good. What kinds of books does the girl's mother have? Can you try to answer that question? We all know that the girl's mother had a lot of books with her, right? So what kinds of books did the girl's mother have?
The.
Girl's mother.
The girl's mother. The girl's mother.
Had. The past tense will be had.
Had.
Continue.
Books.
Okay, you want to say has books? Fine, we will do with that. Has books.
Has book.
About. What all things does she have books about?
Book about.
Take help of the first stanza of the poem. First stanza of the poem. The third line.
Third line. Okay, ma'am.
Books about.
Book have a.
About.
Book about.
Fairies.
Fairies.
What is the next word? Fairies.
Fairies.
What is the next word? GHOSTS. GHOSTS. Goes. Goes. And what is the last word?
Last word. First.
Monsters and monsters.
Monsters.
And monsters.
And monsters.
Yes. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So let's write the answer. Are you ready? The girl's mother has books. BOOKS. Books about FAIRIES. Fairies. Goes. GHOSTS. Ghosts and monsters. And monsters on the street. On the street. Did you understand, my dear students? The girl's mother has books about fairies, ghosts, and monsters on the street. What kinds of books does the girl's mother have? The girl's mother has books about fairies, ghosts, and monsters on the street. Fairies, ghosts, and monsters on the street. Is the answer understood by all of you? Say, my dear students, yes or no? Okay. Good. Malavika, please unmute and read the second question.
What does the girl need to think of?
Yes, very good. Answer.
Need to think of a way to make her mother happy.
Make her mother happy, or to make her, there is another word there. It means the same, but the word in the poem is different. Try to find out the word, Malavika. To make her mother. The meaning is the same, but another word is used in the poem. You can refer to the second stanza. Yes, you are right. To make her mother smile. But my dear, the word used in the question is need. When it comes to the answer, it must be written as needs.
Needs.
Okay, got it? What does the girl need to think of is the question. So when we come to the answer, we must write it as the girl needs to think of. Need in the question becomes needs when it comes to the answer. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Try to keep that in mind. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. You gave me the answer very well. Well done. What about the other students? Did you get an idea about it? Okay, let's write the second one. Number 2. Number 2. What does the girl need to think of? What does the girl need to think of? So when we write the answer, the word need will become needs in the answer. The girl needs to think. T-H-I-N-K. To think. The girl needs to think. The girl needs to think of a way. Of a way to make. M-A-K-E. To make her. H-E-R. Her mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother smile. What does the girl want to do? She wants to make her mother smile. That is the reason she needs to think of a way or a plan to make her mother smile. The girl needs to think of a way to make her mother smile. Take your time and write. And I have already told you, keep your devices muted and read each word when you are writing it. Read and write the words. The girl needs to think of a way to make her mother smile. Done? Ishan Krishna, unmute. Please read question number 3. Ishan Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read question number 3.
What
Yes.
kind does the girl
What kind of?
plant book
What kind of?
the girl to write?
What kind of book?
What the girl plans to write? The girl plans to write a nice and funny book.
Very good. But I think you missed one word from the question, right, Ishan? Why don't you read the question one more time, please? Unmute. Yeah.
What kind of book does the
Yes.
girl plan to write?
Okay, now the
The
comma.
girl-
Yes.
Plans to write a nice and funny book.
Fantastic. You gave me the answer perfectly. Very good. Well done, my dear. So the answer to question number 3 is the girl. Girl. Girl plans. Plans. My dear students, did you notice in the question the word is plan? Plan. Plan. So when the same word comes to the answer, we need to write it as plans. 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 The girl plans to, to write, write, write. What sort of a book? What kind of a book? A nice, 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 and funny, Funny, funny book, book, book. The girl plans to write a nice and funny book. The girl plans to write a nice and funny book. Plan in the question will become plans in the answer. Okay, when it comes to the answer, it becomes plans. Plans, plans. Plans, plans. Okay, very good. I can see that all my dear students are sitting and writing. Very good. Dear KP, please sit straight and write. Zara, unmute and write, read question number 4. Zara, please read question number 4 on page number 15. Number 4.
Why does the girl
Decide
to write the book?
write a book.
Write a
A
book,
book.
and
And
but
not buy one. And not buy one. Yes, Zara? Zara, read. Yeah.
yes,
Why does the girl decide to write a book and not to buy one book? Why does she decide to write a book instead of
girls
buying
have
one
not
book?
money.
Yes, you may say the sentence correctly, but the girl has no money with her. The girl has no money with her. But to write a book, does she need money?
No.
No, she does not need any money. she must definitely be having a notebook and a pencil with her, right? With the help of these two thoughts, these two things, and one more very important thing, she can easily write a book. What is that one very important thing that the girl needs to write a book, Zara?
Brain.
Brain. Did you say brain? What in her brain? One good,
Idea.
one good thought. Yes, you're right. One good thought. She needs one good thought to write a book, and she does not need any money. That is the reason she thought of writing a book and not buying one. Okay, Zara, you gave me the answer very well. Thank you.
Well,
Yeah, okay. Are you ready to write, my dear students? Why does the girl decide to write a book and not buy one? I repeat the answer for you. The girl would, W-O-U-L-D, would not, N-O-T, not, N-E-E-D, need, would not need any money, M-O-N-E-Y, money for it. What is the meaning of it here? The girl would not need any money for it. What is the meaning of it here? Who can tell me it? The girl would not need any money for it. Yes, Daksha. What is the meaning of it? The girl would not need any money for it. What is it here?
The
For
book.
what would the girl not need any money?
For the book.
For writing or buying? Say it clearly.
Buying. Writing.
Decide and tell me the answer. For what will she not need any money? For writing a book or for buying a book?
For writing
Yes,
a book.
you're right. For writing a book, the child will not need any money. So it here means writing a book. Okay, good. Daksha, thank you. The girl would not need any money for it. And then all she would need, or all she would need, that is better. All she would need is, what is all that she would need? All she would need is one good thought. One good thought. All she would need is one good thought. The girl would not need any money for it. All she would need is one good thought. Completed? Take your time and write. Write neatly. Ebel Saju, please put the device properly. I cannot see you. Yeah, it's okay now. Done? My dear students, do you have any doubts from these 4 answers? Is there anything that you have not understood? Rose, Ahyan, Devananda, Arav, switch on the video. Anna? Okay, I think everybody has completed writing. Yes? Now we will move to the next part. Those who are writing answer number 4, I'll keep it here. Now we are going to discuss the past tense forms of specific words. Past tense. My dear students, we have discussed this previously. I hope you remember. Today is Monday and we are learning now. So which tense is it? Which tense is it? Past, present or future? Which tense is it? Today is Monday and we are learning now. Present tense. Yes, you're right. And something that we have done yesterday. Yesterday was a holiday, Sunday. All of us enjoyed. Past tense. Tomorrow is Tuesday. It is going to come. Which tense? Very good. So today we are going to learn the past tense forms of certain words from this lesson. Okay? Are you ready?
Right.
Yes, of course, right? The first word is will. Who can tell me the past tense of will? Will. Say again, please. No, will. I will go to school today.
Notebook, right?
Yes, English literature notebook where we write and learn. Will. What is the past tense of will? Yes. Sorry? Will. What is the past tense of will? Try, think. Will. I will complete my work. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Will, would. The next word is think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Think. What is the past tense of think?
Thought.
Say again. Thought. Yes, you're right. The past tense of think is thought. The past tense of think is thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Think. The past tense is thought. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Sorry?
We want to write how many times?
Not want to write. May we write 3 times? So like that you must ask. Not want to write. Don't use the words want to write. You must write. Or should we write 3 times? I want all of you to write only the past tense forms of the words 4 times each. Only the past tense forms. 4 times. Answers, no need to write. Answers write only 1 time now. The same answers you have to write neatly in your textbook also. Now you're writing in the rough book, right? Okay. The third word, number 3. Number 3 is write. W-R-I-T-E. What is the past tense of write? Write. Right. Sorry? Wrote. Yes, you're right. What is the spelling? Do you know the spelling?
W-O-T.
No. W-R-O-T-E.
R-O-T-E.
Yes, the I in the spelling of right changes to O. W-R-O-T-E, wrote. W-R-O-T-E, wrote. So the past tense of will is would. The past tense of will is would. The past tense of think is thought. And the past tense of write is wrote. These past tense forms, I want you to write 4 times each. 4 times each, the past tense forms.
Ma'am, what is it to write now?
Sorry?
You need to write now.
If you have completed all the other work, you can do that. Only the past tense forms. No need to write the answers again. Okay.
And 4 types. 4 types.
Yes, 4 times each. Each one you have to write 4 times. Will, would,
Notebook.
think, thought. Yes, the same notebook. We have been using this same notebook since the beginning, right? So don't ask the same thing now. Okay. Now, I'll be sending the same notes in the group. So don't worry at all. If somebody has missed out something, you can complete it at that time. Okay. Now let us discuss the value-based questions in a small way. Just discussing, no need to write. Ahyan CS, unmute. The first value-based question. Do you think that a child can write a book? Ahyan, unmute. Tell me. Do you think a child can write a book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say the answer in a complete sentence. Yes, a child can write a book. Say it. Yes?
A
Huh? Child can
child can
write a book.
write a book.
Do you think so? Do you think so? Do you think that a child can write a book? Say yes or no, Ahyan? Yes. You said yes. Okay, very good. Anthony, unmute and tell me, why do you think that a child can write a book? What all can a child think about and write books on?
Idea.
Which idea? Ideas about what, Anthony? For example, just think that I'm telling you to write a book. What all will you think about to write a book? Tell me.
Right.
Write about what? About what would you love to write a book on?
Animals.
Animals. Oh, that's cool. What else?
Pet animals.
Sorry?
Pet animals.
Pet animals. Okay, that's a wonderful idea. See, like you, many other children will be having different ideas or different ways to think about. And about thinking about all those things, they can write very simple sentences and make it into a book. Right? So yes, a child can definitely write a book. A very simple and innocent book. Innocently written book. Yes. because children have lots of ideas in their young minds. They can think about them and write. Okay. Yeah, good effort, my dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arav, unmute.
Ma'am,
Arav, yeah, who's calling me?
ma'am, which
Yes.
book right?
In the literature notebook, my dear, rough notebook. Okay, Arav, tell me, do you like reading books?
Reading.
Do you like reading books?
Yes.
Do you like reading books?
Yes.
Yes, then say the answer in a complete sentence. Yes, I like.
I like reading book.
Yes, I like reading books. Okay?
Yes, I like reading book.
Yes, very good. Now tell me why. Veda, wait.
That is a good hobby.
Yes, very good. Because reading books is a very good hobby. And what do books give us? What do books give us? They give us a lot of information about many things around us. Information. They give us we get a lot of information from books. So, reading books is a very good thing. Okay. My dear students, have you been able to understand how we have come to the answers of these questions here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, I'll be sending the notes to you. Please make sure and write the same things in the textbook. In the textbook neatly.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
am not asking you to write neatly in the class itself because you may write shabbily, which I don't want. So I will be sending, and at that time you may write. Okay? Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.